Welcome to Coffee Grounds. I'm here with Jeff Wallitsch from Wallitsch Garden Center, and today we were talking about garden tricks and hacks that will make you never think the same way about gardening again.
It's going to blow your mind, Claudia.
Let's do it. Okay, a lot of people like these rotisserie chickens. What do you do with the container?
So with the container, we're going to use it as a little mini greenhouse. What you're going to do is fill it up with soil, put your seeds in there, put the lid on, and then you're going to have a little mini greenhouse for your seeds to germinate. You can also use the little small yogurt containers. Don't throw those out. Use that as a little greenhouse too.
A lot of people want a garden, but maybe they don't have the space for it.
Exactly. So this is a really easy container already done for you. It's a bag of garden soil. Poke some holes in the bottom, and then you can have a tomato or peppers or herbs. So we're just going to put the tomato in here, and then we're going to water it in, and then just water it when needed, and you have a little tomato garden all ready to go.
Little garden right in the city.
Exactly.
Okay, a lot of people have these big containers, and I mean, it takes a lot of
soil,
dirt.
and soil is expensive too. So what you can do is take these little containers or anything lightweight, we're going to throw them down in there.
Okay.
And as you can see, we're going to fill it up about halfway with those containers, and then we're going to fill it up with the rest with the soil.
And it'll use far less soil.
Exactly.
Love that idea. Okay, what about weeds in the garden? Everybody's always fighting those weeds.
Yeah, instead of using that landscape fabric, use cardboard boxes or newspaper or your Amazon Prime boxes. It's a great natural way for a weed barrier.
All right, and what about if you're going to be traveling? People want to make sure their flowers are not going to dry up.
Right, school's getting to be out soon, so what you can do is use old wine bottles. This will be filled up with water, and then you're going to turn it over, and we're going to stick it down into the pot, and then it's slowly going to drain down into the soil so you can water it while you're gone.
Jeff, mind blown right there. Love it. Love all these ideas. If you want more information, go to wallitsch.net.